Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel a Skrill transaction. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom, we have five tabs. We have the home tab, the car tab, crypto, sports, and the rewards in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel this Skrill transaction. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app and log into your account, and then navigate to the transaction tab. After you have done that, find the transaction that you want to cancel while it is of course still pending, because if it's not pending, you cannot cancel it. Click on the cancel button next to the transaction and confirm that you want to cancel the transaction. If the transaction has already been processed, it cannot be canceled. In such case, you'll need to contact the recipient directly to resolve the issue. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.